We are now at the National Party Secretariat of APC. As you can see behind me is the National Party Office of APC.
Yes.
And we are here to see the National Party Chairman of APC. As a card-carrying member of APC, I'm coming here to come and tell the party chairman that one of us, who is also a dedicated party member, has been arrested for 7 months, and want the party chairman to be involved in this matter and help in his release. So let's go.
Yes.
APC!
Power!
APC!
Power!
APC!
Power!
Free Ijele!
Power!
APC!
Power!
APC!
Power!
APC!
Power!
APC!
Power!
APC!
Power!
If I'm coming to National Secretariat, I'm coming to my father's house.
No.
As a party man from Imo State.
Yes.
Where my face show, my shoe shine.
Yes.
I don't fear.
No.
Because I'm coming to my father's house.
Abi. We are come to Jagaba place. APC power.
I'm here today. First of all, my name is Chukuma Dike. I'm the party agent on the day of presidential election. Party agent on the local government party agent on the day of governorship election. So I'm a deep party member, a strong APC member. Why I'm here today is because of one of our brother, who is also a member of APC, who was arrested 7 months ago. He has been in detention 7 months ago. He was arrested in Abuja here, and they transferred him from Abuja to Lagos. Now they want to transfer him to Lagos, from Lagos to Oka. We cannot be in power and be suffering. That's the way in Papa Day heaven, no they go hellfire. So I came all the way from Imo State to come and meet, to come and address our party chairman and all the party executive at this building. That problem though, one of our members, a strong member of APC, was arrested 7 months ago and he has not been released. They granted him bail. He has met all the bail conditions and he's still being held hostage at Ikoyi prison. So Ikoyi prison, as far as I'm concerned, this is Jagaban government. This is my finger. I voted for Jagaban. I have my proof for this phone where I vote for Jagaban as party agent with my party agent tag for my booth, Army to boot in Bitoli local government, Imo State. That's 66,000 votes from Imo State. My own vote follow. I have video proof of it. I voted and I recorded it for a day like this. In case they say na lie, I go show them to approve. I voted finish, post am for Facebook to encourage other people to vote for Jagaban. So if for my place they call me Jagaban, my nickname na Jagaban. Now my nickname for Imo State. If you come Imo State, in the local government area and ask for Chukuma Dike, they go say Jagaban. Na Jagaban is my nickname. So I'm here to tell our national party chairman, say, one of your boys there in Ikoyi prison. In the sick now, he don't get kidney failure. In the dialysis for Ikoyi prison. He does not eat salt. He's suffering. And he's a strong party member. I am aware that the party does not know about this thing. That's why I say, make I call party office, come draw our attention. They say, Ijele speak there, Ikoyi prison. National chairman, I boy there here, lawyer boy. My face show. As long as APC is concerned, my face show. You know, go fit come APC most states. They say they find me. So I'm calling upon the party chairman. I beg Oga, your boys they here. National youth leader, your boys they here. Your boys they here. We they ask for one thing only.
APC people.
Make Ijele. As he don't meet the condition.
As
he don't meet the condition. As he don't meet the condition. Make them grant and bail. Make them grant and bail. That's all we are asking for. APC
Power!
APC Power! APC Power! From where I come from my state, if you shout APC, they will say Ebe Saraziza. Then if you don't say Ebe Saraziza, they will say Ebe Igemegini Agagayaka. APC, Eve Serasisa. Eve Serasisa, Kaigagayaka. Then later, we come for governorship election, we come change that to APC, God sent governor. God sent governor, Senator Hopus on the man. That one, another one again, we'll bring in. So every state is peculiar. Every state gets your own slogan and your own party talk. But nationally, APC progress. But as you come here, APC power. Because by 2027, we are taking power again. No matter what they do, no matter how hard they try, APC will still remain in power 2027. That year, like we said in Igbo State, it's a do or die affair. If I talk about Shirugo loss. So I'm here, please, National Party Chairman, I beg. I'm on my knees, begging you. I came with a letter to appeal to you, Party Chairman. Your boy, in name Ijele speak, the hold him for Ikoyi prison. He's suffering, he has dialysis. He's on dialysis, sorry. He does not eat salt. So, National Chairman, I beg you, Ganduje Alhaji. Alhaji Ganduje. You were in Igbo State 2 weeks ago. Before the local government election, you were in Imo State. We saw you. We were happy to meet you. We received you very well in Imo State. I came all the way from Imo State to come and see you, sir, because I cannot leave local government election and be doing another thing again. So I kept quiet. I say, make our wait. If you now go back to Abuja, we will come here and come and see you. Alhaji Ganduje, your boys and they here. Alhaji, your boys and they here. Your boy, they suffer for Ikoyi prison. I beg Alhaji. I came here with a letter to give to you, Alhaji. It's from your boy, your lawyer boy, Chukwuba Dike, a card-carrying member of APC. Will vote for Jagaban. Not just a card-carrying member, but a card-carrying member that voted and have proof. All my votes I give of APC. I don't do anything anti-party. I'm not involved in anti-party. I'm very strong in the party. So I'm begging you, sir, please receive our letter and act accordingly. Thank you. APC
power.
Progress.
We beg you.
Hello, Yawa.
No.
Yeah. Where I plug it from?
Mo pure water, Kabo.